how AI and technology are revolutionizing Forex trading. Welcome to FX Titans. Did you know that artificial intelligence is changing the way we trade Forex? In this video, we'll explore how AI and technology makes Forex trading easier, even for beginners, and how you can leverage this tool to grow your account faster. AI tools can analyze the market's trend faster and more accurately than humans. For example, artificial intelligence can predict potential movements in pairs like Euro USD or USD JPY by analyzing historical data and news in real time. This gives traders an edge in the market. With tools like our Telegram group, you don't need to be a tech expert to benefit from artificial intelligence. Our signals are clear and easy to follow, helping you to take advantage of the latest technology without this steep learning curve. Ready to trade smarter with the help of artificial intelligence and expert signals? Join our free Telegram group today and see the difference. Like, share and subscribe to FX Titans for more beginner-friendly tips. Let's grow your accounts together.